anyitite mirohonge-ini rwa maria maturigicĩirie kaunti-ini ya Nandi ni manyitanĩire na arutwo na andũ ethĩ timu-ini cia mĩbira kũhanda mĩtĩ mathukuru-ini matiganĩte kaunti-ini ĩno ona mũtitũ-ini wa Kimondi.
Able to plant over 10,000 trees and over 500 fruit trees at the two schools, the Kimondi Primary and Kimondi Secondary School. Yes, but so far we know by the end of 2027 we should have planted 150 million, and the next 5 years we shall be able to plant 350 million.
And the target for Nandi County is 18 million every year. How many? 18 million every year. Which means, for the 10 years, Nandi County mnatakiwa mpande gapi? 180 million trees.
Maugite makuruhanĩtie andũ ethĩ arĩ ta njĩra ya kũmba mũthingi wa ũmenyereri wa maria maturigicĩirie nĩguo kũhonokia rũciũ.
So that we can actually increase our forest cover from the current 8.83 to 30%. This is a commitment from our Excellency's office that we plant 500 million.
Bila tumesema tumejumuika na mama Bingu na mashule yote ya Elgeyo Marakwet County, ya Nandi County, tukipitia katika Yala Water Fund na zile za wasilisho sisi kama kampuni za maji hapa katika North Rift tutaweza kusupply hizo tree seedlings.
Tuko na jukumu sisi zote. Kwanza hapa Nandi kuna mvua ya kutosha. Tupande miti wakati wote na tuchunge ile miti. Ili miti itupatie mali. Miti ni mali, miti ni pesa.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nandi irathingata ikundi citiganĩte cithiĩ na mbere na kũhanda mĩtĩ na oho ĩkĩranĩra kũgũra mĩũngũrwa kũrĩ mũingĩ.
And we want to make sure that we go and sort out our wetlands. In any case, ukisikia kutoka PS Forest, our program, our strategy for the 15 billion, where we are going to plan kupanda miti is in the riparian land and the wetlands, and that is important for us to be able to understand.
Na leo tumeweza kuleta miche ama seedlings ambayo ilitugharimu 610,000 today. Tumeweza kuleta hiyo miche including macadamia tumeleta hapa, na pia katika Kakamega Forest katika ile program yenye ilikuwa huko tumeweza kupeleka miche ama seedlings 15,000. Na vile
Bũrũri wa Kenya ũrĩ na itanya rĩa kũhanda mĩtĩ bilioni 15 gũgĩkinya mwaka wa 2022 kũrĩa o kaunti ĩrĩ na itemi. Tera Inoro TV, Geto wa Maria wa Mũigana.